Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Nyat, aka Nyatina. And today I'm gonna be doing a breakfast recipe of mine. It's scrambled eggs, but a vegan version. So I'm so excited to do this. I will also be writing down all the nutritional facts in the description box below. I originally did this intro in my kitchen, but I forgot to turn on my speaker, so there was absolutely no audio, so that's why I'm in my room. But for the rest of the video, I made sure that my mic was on, so it's gonna be taking place in the kitchen. Let's go. Before I do leave though, please guys, like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I'm hungry. All right, so here you have your veggies. I took half of a medium onion, chopped that up, 1/4 of yellow pepper, a handful of grape tomatoes, and 2 mini bella mushrooms. And here I took a handful of spinach and I added 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Here is my chickpea flour. I used half of a cup of chickpea flour and mixed that in with 1.5 cups of water. I use tap water, but you can use any kind of water that you prefer, such as distilled, carbonated, doesn't matter. And here are my spices. So I used oregano, basil leaves, turmeric, which gives it that yellow egg-like look, granulated garlic, crushed red pepper, salt, and pepper. During this time, the heat is on medium-low. Now that I've added all the veggies into here, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up and just let it sit there for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. You can tell that the spinach has melted, I guess you can say, and the onions have become a little bit translucent. At this point, you're gonna go ahead and use your spices. I used about 1 teaspoon for each spice that I mentioned earlier in the video. If you guys want, when it comes to the salt or any of the spices, you can put as much as you want or as little as you want. It just depends on your own taste and what you like. So you can definitely adjust that. We're just gonna go ahead and let the spices cook with the veggies for about a minute or 2, just so that they're all well acquainted. You want to make sure that the chickpea paste with the water is at a bit watery, but not too much. Think of like a chocolate milk consistency, but not water, if that makes any sense. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're just going to let it lather into the pan, just like that. Okay, and what I like to do is I like to evenly place it in the pan, just like that. So it sort of looks like an omelet. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it up, and you put the stove on low. That's very important. You're just going to wait about 10 minutes and you'll see how this delicious scrambled chickpea egg is going to look. I can't wait. If you want to know how to know if it's done or not, you just press on the top or just around, and it's going to feel pretty sturdy. So once you get it like that, what you do, you just take your spoon or whatever utensil you're using and just go ahead and break into it. Okay, so let me put you guys on. I'm using I think that's how you say it, but I'm using their pepper jack shredded cheese, vegan cheese. It's really good. It tastes the same. You won't even notice the difference. So I take about a pinch full. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let it sit there for about a minute or two, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix the cheese together, and then I'm gonna put it all on a plate, and then you're gonna see the final result. So one very important thing I forgot to mention is to always make sure that you're using a non-stick pan. Very important, because you will have some like residue, not residue, but you're gonna have some of the powder stuck on the pan on the bottom, but that's completely normal, completely fine. So what you do, you just add a little bit of water and let it sit in that water, and then it eventually comes off. Okay, and here you go. Let me just put this down a little bit. As you can see, I have my chickpea scrambled egg right here, and I put some avocado. It's so good, you guys. You don't understand. I'm telling you guys, so good. If you guys liked what you saw, please let me know in the comments below. Give me a like, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. Do you guys want to see more vegan recipes? Fill me in. And until next time, I'll see you next week. Bye.